Welcome to JH. Today we are exploring how to easily total a column in Notion, turning complex figures into clear data with just a few taps. Whether you are managing a budget, tracking expenses, or just keeping count, Notion's versatile platform makes data organization simple for users of all levels. To begin, launch your preferred web browser and head to the Notion homepage. This fantastic workspace is perfect for organizing projects, documents, and much more in one user-friendly interface. If you aren't signed in, hit the login button at the top right corner of the screen. For a faster experience, select Continue with Google. Pick the account you want to use and provide your login details, or select your account from the list if you are already signed in. Once you are in, open the specific database containing the numbers you want to total. You likely have many of these for work or personal tasks. Click on the header of the column you are interested in to open its settings and options. Select Edit Property to see the different types Notion supports. Choose Number, and then select it again. This ensures your data type is correctly formatted, telling Notion to treat these entries as numerical values for math operations. Now that the column is ready, move to the very bottom of the table where you will find the Calculate button. This small button is your gateway to many different calculations. Click it to see your options. If you don't see some immediately, click More Options to view the full list of calculation types. Find and select Sum from the menu. Notion will instantly calculate the total of every entry in that column. Just like that, your total appears at the base of the column. This feature helps you gain quick insights and make better decisions using your compiled data. Notion offers many more tools beyond simple addition to help streamline your work and documentation. Keep exploring the platform to maximize your productivity. Happy Notioning!